Who needs high definition TV when you've got this to look at?
Oh.
Let me show you.
And salted caramel fudge. Oh my.
Morning folks, obviously still down here in Tintagel car park. I think I said it before, £4 for 24 hours parking including authorised motorhome stopover. That's not too shabby. I think that means that if you stayed here for a month, £110 or something. Where are you going to get rent like that? See, everyone should be living in a van. Actually, don't do that. Become too crowded. Stay in your houses in the cities. Yes, do that. Coffee just ready. I'm going to go for a mooch. This one here, I'm going to wash her hair. I better put up some subtitles when I say her hair. And then we're off to, I think we're going to go, not that we'd planned to do it, but I think we're going to go off to Tintagel Castle. Or at least walk out to it, Glebe Cliff. And then someone's obviously going to go to the Tintagel post office as well. Yeah, so given the fact that we've got 24 hours parking here and we haven't got too much more to do up the coast until our next stop off tonight in Appledore, we're just going to take it easy today and just sort of visit a few places, which is great. But yeah, £4, I say again, £4 for 24 hours parking including authorised overnight motorhome stop.
20p for the loos though, so don't go to the loo too often.
And if you do go to the loo too often, go see your doctor. Afternoon, I guess now. So we are heading down to Tintagel Castle. Probably not going to go into it, but the walk down apparently is quite spectacular, so that's what we're going to do. And as you can probably hear from Nicola's 46 steps compared to my 2, it's a steep path down, and for some reason her legs go into overdrive. So, as we sort of alluded to in a couple of videos ago, one of the reasons why we're doing this is not just for the hell of it, but to sort of, I guess, try to find our own little slice of happiness. You know, there is some deeper connotations there as well in terms of kind of mental health and things like that, which I'm sure at some point when the time's right we'll talk about. But I just want to say one thing. This girl here, she looks fabulous in this environment. I turned around, had a little look at her, and I was just like, yeah, this is her natural environment. Outdoors, in amongst it all. A little bit weathered, a little bit weather beaten, like us all, but I love her, and I love to see her starting to kind of get her spark back. and this is why we're doing this, and this is why we want to do this for as long as possible. Right, let's go climb more hills. So, you can probably spot her. She said to me, I'm going to go up here. My immediate reaction was, you're going to get about a third of the way up, you're going to freak out, and you probably won't be able to get back down again.
I'm a scaredy cat.
It's not the scaredy cat, it's just, it has been a bit damp.
Huh?
You probably would need to scramble back down, and you're a bit of a scaredy cat. But it's good to push yourself every so often. How far did you get?
About 10 feet.
Yeah, so that's why I thought I'd just sit down here and relax. And wait for the drama to unfold.
Yeah, I'm no climber. Yeah, I got scared.
The cliffs look fantastic at the moment, actually. In fact, I think this sort of place is fantastic to come visit in these sorts of conditions. A bit of mist moving through, a bit of drama, rather than blue sky. Blue skies for ice cream. This is for visiting ancient castles. So then now the tide has gone out a little bit. I'm going to try to get into the cave. There may be some screaming like a girl as the tide comes up over our ankles, but I might just stay outside under the pretense of shooting a time lapse. This one here's going in there. So we've just been down to Boss Castle, lovely little village that was destroyed in some pretty major floods back in 2004. But yeah, beautiful little stop off, again somewhere that I could probably spend quite a lot of time under the right conditions from a photography point of view. But now we just picked up ourselves a couple of jam donuts, making a brew before heading back north, starting to make our way towards the Cornwall-Devon border. So we'll be staying in Devon tonight. But yeah, first up, jam donut and a cup of tea.
In the interest of research, I had to buy some fudge because I had the peanut butter fudge from Dorset. I'm now trying Cornwall fudge to see how it compares. Salted caramel. This one.
We're all about the market research.
Absolutely. I mean, I wouldn't do it otherwise.
Does that mean we have to try more fish and chips? Those
Well,
were
we need
good
a
last
Devon
night.
fish and chips, I think.
Yep, absolutely.
Oh, hang on. Now, we've had 2 Cornwall ones. We missed out Dorset.
I stopped listening after. Oh, So we've arrived down at Appledore, parked up in Churchfield's car park, and the ridge monkey once again is doing its business. Honey roasted pork sticks.
No, barbecue.
Honey roasted barbecue. Honey roasted. There's definitely honey in the title.
No honey in it.
Shall I get the package out of the bin and prove that there was honey on the packaging?
Smoky barbecue glaze.
As I said, no honey whatsoever. I'm having honey tomorrow morning for my breakfast. Actually, what I was saying was honey, beautiful. Anyway, pork, sweet corn, potatoes, apple door. We're back in Devon, which means time to get some Devon fudge. And our outlook, as you can see, not too shabby. Right, pork time. Excuse the rustling. Someone's getting in their fudge. Parked up in Appledore. Leave it. And the sky is putting on quite a show. Who needs high definition TV when you've got this to look at?
Oh.
Let me show you.
And soldier caramel fudge. Oh my.
Probably heard her going, wow, wow. Honestly, she was doing it at the sunset.
I was.
Not her chocolate. Not chocolate. I mean, it's only fudge. How good. Well guys, that's us hooked up at the campsite here in Woolacombe in North Devon. We're here until Sunday. As always, weekend means verky verk, as we said. Beautiful day out there. Not going to record any of this next few days because we're just really going to be chilling out in Woolacombe, doing a few bits and pieces. So we'll catch up with you again in the next video as we head further into North Devon and then cross into Wales in what will be the last couple of days of our trip. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicola. Happy birthday to you.
It's my birthday. Is that a donut
Yes.
for breakfast?
Yes. Happy birthday done properly in the van.
Thank you.
So a little interlude. Obviously we said we weren't going to vlog, but it is someone's birthday.
Yay.
She's not wearing her badge though.
Oh, it fell off.
And of course, on birthday, she gets her favourite meal. And for some bizarre reason, her favourite meal is my spaghetti bolognese. So that's what we have.
Yum.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Right, nosh time.